When you create the most successful supercar around, you have a lot to live up to. The newest Lamborghini to replace the Huracan, which was their most successful model until the Urus came around, is currently known only by its internal code name 634. But we do know that this is going to be a powerful vehicle. Whereas the Lamborghini Huracan launched with the LP610-4, meaning 610 PS and all-wheel drive, we do know this one, the twin turbocharged V8 by itself, will make 789 horsepower. But the Huracan's replacement is going to be a hybrid. According to Lambo boss Stefan Winkelmann, he recently hinted at a combined output over 887 horsepower. He posted an official introduction to the 634 on LinkedIn by sharing some images of the motor. Here you can see a picture of the motor with those orange cables coming off the side there. Does look like it is going to be a hot V setup. So you've got the turbocharger sitting in the V of the motor, and it is possible that it will exceed 900 horsepower total. Now, the production motor is supposed to be based on a 4-liter turbocharged setup. However, there is a 3.8-liter version that is currently in the Lamborghini SC63 LMDH prototype vehicle. And that 789 horsepower will come at the high end of the rev range, anywhere between 9,000 and 9,750 RPM, with a red line at 10,000 RPM, and it will have a flat plane crank. Maximum torque of 538 pound-feet of torque is going to be between 4,000 and 7,000 RPM. Of course, with this high revving motor, that's where you're going to need that electric propulsion to get you that low-end power. So Stefan Winkelmann shared this image of the motor as well. You can see the 2 turbochargers. You can see the orange cables there again for the high voltage system. This is going to be really cool to see it come to life. The Huracan successor will debut in August, but they are suggesting about 100 horsepower added from the electrical system. And Lamborghini, I'm sure, will share some more teasers between now and then. But if you're excited for the Lamborghini Huracan successor, go ahead and raise your hand, because, yeah, I am. Thanks for checking out this video, and if you liked it, make sure to check out some of my other videos as well and share it with your friends. I'm currently doing 30 videos over 30 days to try and get to 30,000 subscribers and would appreciate your help. But with that in mind, that's all I've got for you today. I will catch you on the next one.